What's good, fam? I scared you? My bad. What's good, fam? I know it's been a minute. Where y'all been? Where I've been. Loud ass car. I've been working on myself and my music for real. You know, just focusing on myself and my well-being. I saw someone run out the cut real quick. I keep getting sidetracked, yeah, but special moments. Today's a special day. I'm going to be in like a big show, like kinda like I'm in a big show, you feel me? Like we worked our way up. I was lucky enough to be invited by some homies, you know, so we're about to make the most of this today. Hopefully some more opportunities coming, you know. It's the Lucky Tour. I'm gonna be vlogging today. I think y'all deserve a vlog. I feel like this moment should be captured and it should be shared, you know. I really be rumbling, but I need to get back into like, I'm not gonna promise you guys like there's gonna be like a bunch of vlogs now. I'm about to start doing more videos and shit, or and stuff, but I just really wanted to share this moment with you guys. So, you know, come along with this journey today. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna see the people. We're gonna have fun, you know. It's Just Nay. You're watching Just Nay, and we're back with another bop of a video. Dap me up. Alright, so right now, I'm about to run a couple errands. I need to get some stuff and pick up some clothing from the little homie down. You know, I'm about to pick up some clothing from this brand called Made Millionaires. You should check them out. I'll leave them in the link in my bio. It's gonna be some Fuego merch, so we about to go do that. So boom, this is what the clothing I was talking about. Self-made millionaires. I'll show it to you guys when I get out. I mean, when I take it out the bag. This told me I'll be able to find it. I'm looking for H36 blow up beach ball. Oh, H25, 24. What the hell? This should only go up to H35. Ain't no H36. I'm heavily upset. Well, I didn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for a beach ball so we can like throw out to the crowd and engage with some little stuff. I really like for my shows, or just shows in general. It's like fun just to have something the crowd can get into with you. But shit, we gonna bring that energy and they gonna get into that, you feel me? So I'm about to go to the crib, go chill, then start getting ready. I don't really know what the game plan is right now, but it's early. It's only 12:09. This joint don't start to 6. So yeah, we got some time. We're gonna find a fit. I was gonna go shopping, but I shouldn't. I have a spending problem and I need to stop. But I will wear this, but I want to wear this for something else. Oh snap, he got this thing on his tag. That's lit. But yeah, I want to wear that for something else. Yep, I was rambling. Make sure you like, subscribe, you know, share the channel. We're still going up regardless. Music videos coming soon, music coming soon. VVX Nay on all platforms. Check me out, support the kid. And yeah. Alright guys, it's some odd hours later. Took a nap, some meditation. Now I'm here. My bad. I'm here. I think I only been to like this venue once in my lifetime, so I'm not too sure. But hopefully I'm in the right area, you know. So I'm gonna give Keith a call, see where he at. Let's see what's going on. See what's going on real quick. Yeah, I'll see what's going on. Alright, so basically I'm just waiting for them to get here now. Yeah, I had some tickets that I was gonna try to like panhandle, if that's the right word out here. But I'm just gonna chill until they get here and go from there. If you guys are enjoying this vlog, I know nothing exciting has happened yet, but it's coming soon. So like, subscribe, share the channel, you know, is or Put Keith on the vlog. We vlogging? How you feeling?
No, it's been funny.
Nah, just not, bro. Slide. How you feeling? Oh, your shit glowing. Okay. Coolin', booing. You're in trouble lifestyle. Kicks.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I got that too. Come on. With the hat. Oh, I didn't feed the hat. Come on. Just a pat down for me. Oh, yo, Peso, you wanna shout anything out? I'm about to vlog this night.
Come on, I'm gonna shout out SMU.
SMU, come on. Self-made, come on. On the way. Look at the buffies.
Come on.
Look at the buffies. Stop playing with them. Oh, it's Nasir. Cool. Oh, Yami Kai?
Yo, what's up?
Oh, look at this.
What's up, bro?
Stop playing with it.
Niggas be covered, bro.
Damn.
Oh, bro, you know I had to step. What's good with you, Brody?
What's good with you?
Yeah, always step. What's good, Keith?
I'm about to leave home. I got a restaurant.
Death Row Records.
That's cold as shit, boy. Oh, where the line at? It's a stretch.
Yo, where y'all at?
You lucky tour bus, you trying to get on there, boy? What the fuck is that?
We got fly